Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test your system RAM or memory for potential issues on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the system launcher and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Open that up. And then on the left panel, scroll down and select where it says About Chrome OS. And then over here on the right side, there should be something that says diagnostics. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down, there should be a memory test. You can go ahead and run that. And that'll test your memory for any potential issues. It'll scan for different things. I'm not going to let it run for 15 minutes here, but I'm just going to go ahead and stop the test. But you should be able to go ahead and run it. It should be a pretty automated process. I would not suggest doing anything else on your computer while that's running. And once it's done, you can select the Save Test Details button to download it to your computer if you want to save it as a text file. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.